Scene 1. We have 4 solid wooden posts, each about 30 centimeters wide and 72 centimeters tall. They're just standing upright, like this. And on each post, let's add some holes, or pegs, at 3 different heights. Now we can stretch out an elastic band between 2 of the posts like this. It's like a giant jumping elastics game. Now let's make the tabletop. We have a long rectangular wooden panel. One side is painted like a chessboard, and the other side is painted with a colorful tangram puzzle. See how it fits perfectly? On top of the posts, we could add little grooves or magnets on the edges, so that we can connect multiple panels together. And finally, we have our full setup for posts with elastic bands and a tabletop. Kids can jump and play outside and use the table for games like tic-tac-toe or puzzles. Remember to keep the colors natural. Wood for the legs and the frame, black and white for the chessboard, and then bright colors for the tangram puzzle.